How to access ChatGPT Plugin Store in your ChatGPT account. So first, let's navigate to ChatGPT. Please keep in mind that for this feature you have to be a Plus subscriber. So if you're on the ChatGPT free version, that means that you cannot access the ChatGPT plugins. Now what you want to do is click on your email address on the bottom left, then select the option of settings. From all of the tabs here, go to better features. Make sure that you have the plugin toggle turned on. After that is done, head to GPT-4. Then this tab will appear. Now you have to head to plugins, that is right at the bottom. Then this box is going to appear. Now click on the downside arrow. These are the plugins that I already have. Now if I scroll down, at the very bottom you'll see Plugin Store. These are all of the options that you can choose from. You can even search one in particular if you have anything in mind. Go ahead and install the ones that you are interested in, and that is all. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.